What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Co. and I have Anthony Biondo with me, like always, behind the lens, doing his thing. And if you guys have not been checking out our videos, we are getting inside every skate park and we are showing them to you. Welcome to the Cortlandt skate park in the Bronx, New York. This is episode 33. It was a little rainy before, but we were like, screw it, we're gonna come anyway and we're gonna get this episode done. Like, I just felt the rain drop, but you know,
it's literally clear right behind you.
Yeah, we're gonna get it. Let's get in the park and show you what it's all about. Enough of this chit chat. All right, we're in the park. You know, it's not crowded, but we got some people here. It's a skate park, we expect that. First feature I wanna show you is this hip with a built-in ledge. And you could skate it like a ledge, or you could just skate the hip. Pretty rad, it's got a nice coping built into it. Maybe bring the wax. You could enter the park, you could hit the pyramid, and then you could come in and hit this nice little speed bump, speed mount. And then check it out, there's another hip. No ledge built into it, as you can see. But right off the bat, you guys could come right in this park and start your line or just start flowing around as I'm about to show you. Guys, new feature alert. It's a kicker-to-kicker gap with built-in ledges, hub as I want to call it. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's built right into this gap. This is something we've never really seen at a park so far. Check this fun box out. I want to say it's just about a foot high, maybe a little bit less, but for me, it's a perfect fun box, and it's also a perfect manual pad. It's in a perfect spot, actually. You got space on this side, you got space on that side. You just need the wax, and this thing is gonna go. I could already tell. Perfect rad ledge. I can't wait to skate this thing. Ready? dirty look back. You know what I'm saying? Oh! We got a 3-foot quarter pipe. It's like a quarter of a ball. Check out the coping. 2-inch round coping built right into it. Perfect for carving, perfect for grinding. Get some stalls on it, gaining speed and getting back into the skate park. Perfect transition right here. He hyped me up, bro. He's like, bro, you got it next try. Gave me a high five. Oh, guys, yeah, check out the flat ground. Loud. Wide open. It's wide open. You have a hubba, some stairs, blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Right next to a round rail in a Euro gap. Hello. So we're on top now. Oh, she's spilling water on the floor. That's not good. And then this rail right here. It's not round, it's flat. Up here you can hang out, you know, get a game of skate. What's different about this side is it actually comes all the way down here, all the way down to the flat. You have an entry point up to the top part. Check out this rail right here. It's just about a foot high, built right into the concrete, and it's got this little kink at the edge. I don't know, you ride up it or you ride down it or you're like bonking it. I don't know. You know, you don't really see these. We do see them, but not too often. It's like a fun box, and then you have a fun box built right on top of it. Like a ledge, like a, I don't really know what to call it, you know? I know you love this one. I'm just stumped. Like, is it like a box on a box? Is it a box to ledge? Is it a ledge on a ledge? What the hell is it? Let's check out the other side. We know that's an A-frame, and it's rad because it's definitely got grinding abilities on the edges. Kids here, you know, skating, scooting. Might get in the way. Oh shit, man. No, you're good, you're good. Oh my God, it's killing me. That is life at the park. Ground report here at the Cortlandt skate park. I like the ground here. The ground is rad, minus the wood chips in the twigs and the stems from the trees. But you know how that goes, bro. The ground is good, but watch out for sticks and rocks because they'll get you here. We're gonna close out our episode like we always do. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button for more videos, more skate parks coming at you. Guys, you can find us at Facebook and, oh my God, and on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. And if you're trying to find some merchandise and you want to see what's going on with the interactive map, we have our website at www.radboardsport.co. The viewers, we make the videos for you, so if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. Thank you for watching. A few more episodes in the Bronx and Manhattan. We're coming for you next. Please don't forget to ride all day.
One time I just busted, like I just felt so hard on the ground because it was a water bottle I was trying to grind, and then it's just not good. Just don't litter.
Oh, don't litter. Don't litter, he said. Take out your trash.